Hello everyone. Today we are going to know about CS Card Geolocation Language and Currency Converter. This splendid add-on converts the currency and the language of your store in runtime based on the visitor's location. For the online demonstration regarding the product, you can go to our Webpool store and click on this demo button. And for the documentation regarding the same, please visit the user guide manual provided at the store. Let us now proceed towards the installation part of this add-on and see how this add-on works. Coming to the admin panel, this is my admin panel. Go to add-ons tab and click on manage add-ons. Now click on this plus button to upload and install a new add-on and click on local and browse the zip file for geolocation currency and language converter add-on. Select the file and click on upload and install. Once your add-on is installed successfully, you need to configure the settings of this installed add-on. Let us search this add-on. This is my geolocation currency and language converter add-on. To configure and manage the settings, go to this drop down and click on settings button. Here the first option is to set the default currency. Here you need to choose the currency for your storefront if the location based currency not found in the configured geolocation data. You can choose any of the desired currency for your storefront. Let us choose it to be US dollars. Next is default language. Here you can choose the language for the storefront if the location based currency not found in the configured geolocation data. Let us choose the language to be English and click on save button to save the settings. Once your settings are saved, go to the administration tab and click on this geolocation currency and language converter. As you can see, geolocation configuration need to be done. To add a new location, click on this plus button. Choose the country for the geolocation. Let us choose it to be India. Language need to be selected for India and currency need to be chosen from the available currencies. Let us choose it to be INR and click on this create button to add a new location. Here you can see that location has been added. You can add as many locations as you require. Once this is done, let us now see how a language and currency is getting converted into the location based currency and language. Let us go to the storefront. Here you can see that if a visitor is accessing your store from India, then the language is converted as per the settings made at the backend, that is English, and the currency as per the configuration made at the geolocation data. You can see that currency has also been converted to INR as per the settings. This is how my geolocation language and currency converter works. Thank you so much for watching.